Minister of Works David Umahi don't blame civil servants for the poor road construction for Nigeria. Umahi yarn this one when he carry waka go do check of some projects for Port Harcourt. The Minister of Works David Umahi come carry waka around the Aba section of the Enugu-Port Harcourt road to see how the work they go, where he come follow the contractors talk and come order them to go back to site, make them complete the Port Harcourt-Aba axis. Umahi constantly talk say na civil servants dey responsible for poor road construction for Nigeria, as na dem no dey do proper check and supervision of the work wey the contractors dey do for some roads. He come talk say na these civil servants dey give certificate for road wey dem no do well, and say im go sack any official wey fail to abide by the new policy of the ministry.
Immediately, you're supposed to have done a total of 12 kilometers, and you say you are even going to another 5 million. So I direct you to return to site, and what you are to do on both lanes down to Aloji and Ava is to remove all the seals in all the ditches, remove it, fill it with sharp sand. Civil servants are a big problem to this country. We need to bring their leaders. Let us discuss. Civil servants are the ones that are satisfying payments. Most of them have joined contractors on the mission of blackmail against me. And any of them that fails to abide by the new policy, I will sack the person through your due process. There are no proper supervision on our roads. How could a civil servant give payment certificate for a road that has failed and the contractor is on site, and you turn around to blame games on leaders? Who signs the paper?
One official of the construction company where they handle the project, Eric Shen, come talk say the Aba Port Harcourt road supposed to be 41 kilometers, but now only 9 kilometers don't they completed.
So we finished in these 3 years, and you can see this 9 kilometers is a very good condition, and Port Harcourt people enjoy it.
For Akpajo LMS section of the East-West Road, the minister come meet with some youths wey come out come do we no go gree waka sake of the bad road, and they come yarn the minister to come help them fix the road. David Umahi come give them assurance say the federal government go put body to make sure say them fix the road.
Our people have suffered for long on this road. Yes. We have recorded so many deaths. The containers in this place have been falling. And I want to let you know, the Honorable Minister, that this road, over 10,000 vehicles ply this road on daily basis. Mostly heavy-duty vehicles. Our people are willing to see that this road is done within record time.
They are going to bring their excavators. All these troubled places, they will use their excavators and tipper. We allow one lane. They will now remove it, pump out the water, put a lot of lumps, put sharp sand, and they build back the road with stone base. If you go down, they will put another one. That is the stability of the road.
The minister come also carry waka go the Bonibodo road for River State, where he contacted the contractor say make them do quality work for the road. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Port Harcourt, River State, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.